Oh, keycard.
Okay, so that's 1 keycard. We need 3 more.
Yes. I forgot about the ghost friends.
Yeah.
Do you know what we should have been getting?
What?
Golden gun.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Well, now we know.
Where's the other one? There it is. That's lucky. Another keycard.
Nice. So we just need 2 more of those.
Yep. You get the golden gun because most of my damage is aura based.
Yeah. I just want to be able to one-shot, you know?
Do you want to increase your speed?
I want to increase my health first.
Ah, that'll work.
Okay, if we go this way...
Oh
Oh yeah, I still get extra knockback. Where are you? Oh, you're just
behind
there.
you. Can't you see all these swiggly dudes?
Okay. So we move into this bit.
Yeah, that's a ghost.
Get all these. Well, you open them, so you get fireworks.
I also get spirits and aura kills.
Yeah.
Oh, there's green up there.
I know.
Gun for you.
I was trying to get it, but I fell down. Yeah, it's nearly full already.
What happens when you stack it? Is it just a damage increase?
No, it reduces the required gold amount,
Oh, okay.
which is kind of bull. The difficulty is a bit off-putting.
Coming for you. Stay alive, just stand next to me with my squirrely gigs.
If your squirrely gigs go down.
Not until I kill an enemy.
Oh, taking a lot of damage.
Yeah, you are. That's why I'm bouncing. There we go. Missile pods too. Another green. Increase your health. Okay, maybe get another fusion. Oh, the damage one.
Which damage one?
The bear. That lowers
Oh,
your damage
I'll get that next time.
by 14%.
Yeah. Good call.
I have so much health. Oh.
Yeah, that's the other one we opened, so there's 2 above us, I think.
Yeah.
Ah! Vagrant.
There we go.
Use my damage buffs alive.
Keycard and a green.
Cool.
Bear?
Well. So otherwise last boss is just going to murderize me.
Yeah. You go and get... Oh yeah, health.
I just want to get close to your amount.
Get it again. It is 8%, so it's, you know,
Yeah.
normal health. Need it.
Okay, and send those out.
How do you get the chef?
The chef.
Yeah.
I'm not actually sure.
It's probably one day you have to find any.
Yeah.
There we go.
We just got to try and find the gold things.
Alright. Oh, green.
More missiles.
Fire the missiles.
Probably not the best choice, but...
Seeing as you could have got another health infusion or damage decrease. Oh! I have to double jump up that now.
Yeah. I will show, in case people don't know how to get the janitor.
He's there.
Yeah. Here.
Right, what am I looking for over here?
Is there just anything over there?
I don't know.
No. Okay, so up to the last one, and hopefully we can get the last keycard.
Kill them. I'm super fast anyway, so I'll catch up.
Yeah. Now
Scavenger has appeared.
we kind of need a green or a red to get the jetpack to get to that top bit,
Killed Scavenger.
and you only got a white.
Have some milk.
Milk.
You know, bit of root to make you healthy.
Ah,
Does walk on the stairs, cool. Just gonna stand here.
I lost myself for a second there.
Yeah, for a minute there I lost myself. Hey, agree. For the rusty jetpack.
Yeah, you get it because you can double jump.
Okay.
Yeah, give him the old rusty jetpack.
Don't ever do that. There's another white over here.
Cool.
Another one as well. I thought it was you for a second there. I've caught. You've nearly caught up.
I know, I'm happy with what I've got. You can get some more speed boosts if you want. Shit, fell down. Thought it was you.
Yeah.
And I forgot to jump. So good.
Right.
What do we use while white's on now?
I guess health regen and double damage chance.
Yeah.
You just want to be tasered. Right, where am I going?
We have to go to the left. Oh, you have to go up that gap in the top.
I can't.
Maybe you can kind of fly now?
No, that jetpack increases my jump distance.
Ah. So let's hope for an orange. Come on, keycard. No!
I missed.
Okay, let's hope the keycard's on the other side then.
White.
I don't know why. Oh wait, no, it did go up more. Maybe that's just for the soldier. It's 7.
Another white. Well, this guy's attack speed is as fast as you can hit.
Yeah. Hey.
Okie doke. A lot of things are happening.
Yep. Okay, over here, I guess.
Woo.
There isn't a 100% chance we'll get that final key card, so...
Yeah.
looks like we can just try to skip one.
Only a white. Oh, I fell. Good to be not don't open them. I said don't, I have fireworks.
Okay, you can get the last one. I think with the jetpack as well, you can get through that window.
There's a orange up there.
Yeah, it's just an orange.
Yeah, but isn't there a use item that gives you the jetpack thing?
No?
Well.
Okay, so... best chance, if we go to the armory...
Which is down or up?
Up and to the right.
Okay. We have 3, don't we? Yeah. Oh, there's the gun. What's that? Rocket birds.
Missiles! If you get that one.
Attack faster at low health. Is there another missile over there that you didn't grab?
No. Oh wait, yeah, there is.
Yeah.
Let me grab it. Cool.
No mines.
Yeah, I prefer missiles, if you
Yes.
couldn't tell.
I couldn't, to be fair.
To be sure.
We can orange storage.
At the moment, just because there's a chance from the other ones we could get. That one doesn't look too good at the moment, so let's go to the medbay.
Hey, green.
Get another rusty jetpack.
Increase jump height and reduce gravity. Yeah, that's what it does. And grab the heal item.
Okay, and there's all of them.
Don't. Did it. I'm out of here. What's the point of this?
Nothing.
Oh.
But you might be able to jump high enough to get into that window now.
Okie doke. It's an extra long one. Oh, what's a... Is there a use item that is a jetpack?
No.
Okie doke.
I think you made that up.
Yeah, it's just a red item. I thought that might be a use item that like reduced gravity or something.
Oh wait, no, it's down here.
Delicious.
Succulent. Okay. Can you get through here now?
Yeah, there's a green in there.
I'm not sure you'll be able to. You need to jump through that gap in the glass. Ah!
There's a green in there.
Damn it.
There's a green in there.
I know, stop, you don't need to keep saying it. We can't...
There's a green in there.
Yeah, we need a green, but...
We've got 3 keys. We used 2.
Yeah. But we want to be able to get into all 4. This is a cheeky way of doing that.
Oh, yeah. Well, let's go to the cabin and see if something happens.
Oh, but there's so many chests in the last one if we don't get any greens.
Oh, yeah. What ifs? If I stand here.
One, just hope greens drop.
Yeah. A white.
Another white. Too bad there isn't a white thing that reduces gravity.
To be fair, we don't know. Yeah.
Oh,
That's
green.
green.
Might as well.
Yeah. I left you a sticky man. I got 2.
Nice.
Right, we need to grab a thing in the cabin, don't we?
Yes, there's
Yes,
a special chest.
There it is. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie mokey. Oh,
You got decent health now.
yeah.
Just
Cool.
move on.
How high can you jump now?
I don't know. Let's have a look.
Come on, that'll be
There's a white.
enough.
Yes, that is enough.
That should definitely be enough. Go on,
Oranges.
I believe in you.
Hey, another imp overload.
Okay, now open everything in there.
Shit.
What?
Let's go for the bear.
Okay, now you can come out.
Here I am.
Cool. Whee!
There he is. Some more whites. Some more whites.
Let's see if this will do. I think we're safe for the moment.
Yeah, I think we're doing alright. We are Aura King and Speed Blast.
Yep. Is that our superhero names?
Yes.
Speed Blast would be a pretty cool name for a cowboy superhero.
Yes. Hey, another white.
Why not
Dead.
mortars?
Why not? Get more mortars.
Hungry for apples?
Yeah, I got my missiles.
Whoa.
We've got 2 reds, I think,
Yeah?
in entirety.
Yeah.
Ghosts and Spirit Bolts.
I think we spent them well, to be
Oh,
fair.
no, we also got the slow one.
Yes.
Yeah.
The poison.
Hey, another keycard.
Oh my god.
We can open the door if we wanted to.
No.
I think the storage room doesn't have anything in it anyways. What's the lantern?
Great. Okay.
Activate.
Let's do this on ha 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 difficulty.
You're pretty much always on that difficulty. Ah, he's shielded now. He does a lot of damage.
Yep.
I forgot the things that chase you. And
Oh,
imps
imps!
here. Hey, a white.
Yay. Oh yeah, shit.
Forgot about them. Press X to heal, remember? I'm gonna press X to heal.
Oh, gilded worms.
I always found these easier.
Yeah.
Dead. You thought me defeated? Yeah, kinda.
Okay, his ads are down. Can't see shit, Sarge.
No, there are too many ghosts.
Oh.
Missiles. Are we winning? There he is.
Oh.
He's got 1 health again. I mean, the 1 damage thing on.
Yeah. I think that breaks pretty easily.
Yes.
Come on.
Doing it. We're doing it. Oh shit. Chasing glowy things.
Whoa. That did massive damage.
Did it?
Yeah.
Where am I? There I am. He's dead.
Yeah.
You monster. Killed your ass. Oh.
Yeah. Woo. First complete run.
Whoop. And
so he left with his Pyrrhic plunder.
And he left. The bottom of the O's missing.
Damn it. After all that, it cut off our O.
Yep.
God damn it.
Well, that's what you get. You take ages to get to the finish, and you get your O cut off right at the end.
Some people dig that.
No,
Not
they
me, though. So yeah, this has
These
been...
people are wrong. Oh,
Yeah.
this has been Risk of Rain, as you can see, by
Hopu
Hopu.
Games,
Hopu.
who made
I
a
dropped my controller.
bloody good game. Yeah, this game is only for PC at the moment, but I believe it's coming out for PS4.
Yeah, it's getting a console port soon.
Yes.
Showing it off.
So that would be great for
It's
like
much
local.
better with controller, anyways.
Yeah. So if you get it for PS4, I imagine you'll be able to do 4-player co-op off the bat.
Without
Yeah.
all the fucking around that we had to do.
That's our first complete run on the channel. Expect possibly more in the future because that's
Doubt
fun.
Oh, I thought you meant of games.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see you next time.
Okay.
Bye.